Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question number 1. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. We do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 2 and number 2 in here, so we divide both sides with number 2. So this one in here, we change for u. S plus 1 ds, we change for u over 2. So you got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of u plus c. About u, that's about this one. Question number 2. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So you got about 3r squared over 18. And we have dr. We simplify number 3 and number 18. We don't have number 6 in here, so we multiply both sides with number 6. So this one in here we change for u. R squared dr, we change for 6 du. And this one you got about 6 u to the power of 6 over 6 plus c. So we have number 6. Number 6 we simplify. About u, that's about this one. Question number 3. We use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. We do first the derivative for the both sides. So we divide both sides with 3 over 2. So this one we change for u. S to the power of 1 over 2 ds, we change for 2 over 3 du. And you got about negative 2 over 3 cosine u plus c. About u, that's about this one. Next, about this one, the integral of sine 2x, you got about negative, and we have 1 over 2. Number 2, that's it form number 2 in here. And we have cosine 2x. This one is about 1 over 3 sine 3x plus c. The next one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. So we put the power 3 for the both sides. So that we can cancel about the root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. Because we don't have number 3 and number 6, so we divide both sides with number 3. And we got about u square equal to y square plus 2y dy. About this one, we change for u. About this one, we change for u square du. This one we got about u, and we got about u square over 2 plus c. About u, that's about this one. And the last one, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about s equal to 1 over the square root of number 2 tan t. The reason we need to put this one, because if we put the square in here, you got about 1 over 2. 1 over 2, they will simplify number 2. And later that we have tan t square plus 1. We change for secant of t square, and then we simplify for ds. And we got about secant of t square dt. So we put this one, go in here. ds, we change for this one. This one, we got about 1 over 2 tan t square. So we simplify number 2. And we got about secant of t square. We simplify this one, and we got about this one. And we got the final answer. About t in here, we go back to this one. So you got about s multiplied with the square root of number 2. And we got about t equals to r tan of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.